Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I want to create this tote bag. I've been meaning to create this tote bag for so long now, and I just keep letting little things stop me, and I'm like, that's it. I had invested too much money into this to not hurry up and get it done. I am not spending not another penny on any supplies to do this. So if you guys know me, you know that I'm obsessed with gold, and I hate Gaga silver. But for this particular bag, I figured that I had to make it silver. So I purchased tons of things from Hobby Lobby and stuff. And then I bought some. So this person loves this band here. So I bought a patch. I got that from Etsy. And then I ordered her some custom buttons from DeLeon Designs. If you guys haven't shopped with DeLeon Designs, please go support this small business. It is amazing. She makes pins. She makes buttons. Buttons and pins are the same thing, I think. She makes magnets. She makes mirrors, custom mirrors. And she has different sizes. So you can give any kind of image or whatever. And she can create these for you. So this person loves this band. I think it's called Lincoln. And then she loves Enrique Iglesias. So I got these for her. I was gonna decorate these on the tote, but I want her to do that on her own, because I'm not sure if this person likes busy things. I don't really know too much, you know, of what she likes. So I'm gonna have these as gifts inside of the tote bag. I purchased a tote bag from Hobby Lobby. I grabbed this chain from Hobby Lobby. I went ahead and I ordered this off Etsy, the bands. And it came on a keychain, and I just went ahead and created some dangles using some beads in my stash from Happy Crafter Shop, Hobby Lobby, all the things. And I got my silver hardware on there. I want to include this little S initial for her name. And then guys, I just keep on ordering things. I'm like, okay, I don't have this, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna put it off. I'm not putting it off anymore. We're gonna go ahead and make this, okay? So I purchased these D-rings thinking that I can put them on here and then hang it, but I can't get this open, you guys. I think you're supposed to like sew something over it in order to connect it, and I'm not about to do all that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and improvise. I got so many things everywhere. Hold on. We're gonna improvise, and we are going to just get this done, okay? So I got my patch. We'll be gluing that on later. This is the chain that I bought, and it's long. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and loop it around. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure this side. I wanna see how far I wanna hang it. Maybe like there. And I'm just gonna wrap it around. I don't know, maybe like that. I don't want it to hang too low. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up about where I measured. And you're gonna use two of your tools and just twist it opposite ends. Okay, and to attach this, I'm just gonna simply go around this and attach it to itself. Okay, I'm improvising, guys. Now, I do have some other D-rings that I purchased, but everything that I have is in gold. And like I said, I'm not purchasing anything else for this. That's it. I'm out too much money making this tote bag. She better love it. All right, so I'm gonna hook it back on. And I'm just gonna go ahead and twist in the opposite direction to close this off, okay? I don't feel like struggling on camera today, guys. All right, I'm gonna try to do this the best I can. So I'm gonna be gluing that patch on with E6000. I was gonna buy like an applique, what are they called? Embroidery patch? I don't know. I was gonna buy the glue that you need for that. And I'm like, no, I'm gonna use what I have. I'm not buying nothing else for this project. I'm done. Most patches have adhesive on it, but this one doesn't. So I figured that E6000 is gonna do the trick. This person is probably not even gonna, I don't know. I hope they love this, because I did put some thought into it and time and money. Guys, I'm struggling right here, right now. Here, let's just make it a little bit bigger, because I'm sitting here trying to make it as tight as I can, and I'm not giving myself enough space to connect these. So let's try this again. All right, I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to watch me struggle doing this. So I'm going to attempt to do it one more time, and if not, then I'm going to do it off camera. All right, I got it two connected, and we're just going to close this off. Okay, there we go. Oh, I put it on the wrong one. I would put it on the wrong one. Okay, I'm going to get off camera, and I'm going to attach it to the front. All right, so I attached it to the right thing. I think it looks kind of cute. It's got a cute little chain thing there. So this is something that you guys can do to improvise if you are having the same problem as me, or had the same problem as me. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's cut this and get it out the way. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start attaching. I'll put this patch on later. All right, so we got this. And I gotta figure out, do I want this to be the front? I don't think it really matters. So I'm just gonna attach this with a jump ring. I'm actually gonna use one of these little chains from here, these little links, and I'm gonna attach it. Just because this hardware is a little more stronger than a regular, what do you call it? A jump ring. I'm just improvising, guys, at this point in the game. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to one of these links. I should attach it with a lobster clasp in case. Yeah, I'm gonna do that because I did buy that. I did buy a couple lobster clasps that I need to use. Because when else am I gonna use the silver stuff, guys? Not anytime soon, I don't think. All right. I did purchase some lobster clasps. Here they go. Yeah, that way she can go ahead and take this off and use it on something else if she wanted to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and link that into here. Okay. Okay, and I'm just gonna attach it here on one of these. And again, she can remove that or whatever. Let's move that there. Okay, that's pretty. What else? So I want to go ahead and add some, I don't like how low this is hanging. I really want it to be a little higher, but we're just going to go with it. I picked out these little bows that I got from Temu that I want to add. Maybe I'll just do the one there and then do some other beads. But I thought this one would be pretty. And then I did purchase some of these. Now I have these in gold and they're my favorite to just like do single beads or a couple of beads, nothing major. And I did pick out this pretty bead from my stash. It's more like a charm. This is such a like basic bag, but like I said, I don't know this person's style all the way, and I don't want to make it too busy, and I feel like I need to make this a little shorter. I think I probably will. And I'm gonna glue this here, and I'll go ahead and bling this out, and I'll come back and share with you guys. I can't forget this little S. We're just gonna attach this with a jump ring. And I grabbed those from Hobby Lobby. Guys, I highly suggest that you create some of these bags if you haven't already. They're just amazing gifts to give. Oh God, don't make a mess. Okay. I'm gonna put the little S over here. And then I'm gonna figure out what beads I'm gonna use. I wanna make this look really pretty. Let me know what you guys think about this keychain. I think that is fun. Okay. So jump ring. We're gonna go ahead and open this up and just hook it onto our chain. I don't have many silver charms. And I gotta make sure I don't put this on backwards, so let me figure that part out. Yeah, I'm gonna put it like up here. I do need to make this a little shorter. Isn't that little tiny S adorable? That was like 99 cents at Hobby Lobby. And then we'll add this bow. I'm gonna move this up a little bit so I can know where to put this bow. Maybe like right there. Just like so. And I'm just gonna keep going until I feel like I love it. So I'm happy with it. And make sure you guys close these really well. You don't want there to be no gapping because they will fall off. All right, I'll be back. All right, friends. So you're gonna take your ball pin, right? And you're gonna take a bead. I'm using this Hobby Lobby one, and you're just gonna string it through like so. And you're gonna take your round nose pliers. You're gonna place it wherever you want. You're gonna go more this way if you want a bigger hole, and more this way if you want a smaller one. I like the smaller ones. So I'm gonna go pretty much almost all the way to the front, just a little bit. And you're just gonna wind it. Keep going till you can't anymore. You don't wanna make this too tight, especially if you're using glass beads. This is the glass bead. So I'm gonna go like right there, and there you go. And you can attach these with your jump rings. So you're just gonna open them up. And you're just gonna go ahead and loop your bead or your charm, whatever it is you're dangling. And you're just gonna go ahead and place it where you want it. And you're gonna close it up by twisting it back together. So you're gonna basically push opposite ends with your tool, okay? And again, make sure this is closed good. Oh, wow, be careful. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the rest. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to get up all these little, like, whatever. I don't know where my lint brush is at the moment, but make sure you guys get your lint brush since this is like canvas. And I'm just gonna get all these little things cleared. I had on a white shirt and I feel like all the little things were getting on here. Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and measure where this lays. I'm gonna go ahead and insert something inside my bag. In case the glue seeps, it won't glue the bag together. It'll just like stick to the paper a little bit, like so. Let's go ahead and put this down, see where it measures, where it falls. I think this came out pretty cute. I didn't do too much right here, guys, because again, I don't know what kind of stuff this person likes. She couldn't even give me a favorite color, so. All right. I'm gonna kind of eyeball it and put it about here. And I'm just gonna use my little E6000 glue. And I'm gonna be generous with it. So make sure you guys are following me on social media. I will share, hopefully I have time to do like a little video, like a little reel or a TikTok. So I'm being very generous with this glue. And I'm gonna use my magnets to hold this down. I'm gonna do it like about there. Sorry you guys hear the washer going and stuff. We got things going on over here. All right, I think that's cool. And then, you know, again, if she doesn't like it, she can take all this stuff off. And she has this cute little bag. She can decorate it with the buttons that I'm gifting her, whatever she's into. Let me go ahead and clean off this E6000, and I want to continue to get this stuff up. But that is it so far, guys, for this toe. I think it came out really pretty. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you think she'll like this, and I'll catch you in the next video.